So in this video, I'm going to share my screen and show you exactly how to integrate social media feed in your website, so that when you make a post in social media, automatically it is going to be added and displayed in your website. I'm going to show you how to add exactly this Instagram feed that I have on my website. And in order to add this feed on our website, remember when you make a post today, it is automatically going to be updated. So in order to achieve this, we have to use a plugin. I'm going to show you the plugin, the free plugin that I used to integrate Instagram, and you can use the same plugin to integrate other social media platforms also. So I'm going to share my screen and we can get started. So right now I am in the back end of one of my websites. The website is in draft. This is the website, and I'm going to integrate, let's say, Instagram. Right here, I'm going to integrate this sample Instagram account right here so that all the posts are going to be displayed. And in order to achieve this, we are going to install a plugin called Smashballoon. And we are going to come down here to plugins. We go to add plugin and we are going to search for Smashballoon. So since I want to install Instagram post, I'm going to install this one. You see it is made by this person. So I'm going to click on install now. Okay, now that it's finished, I'm going to click activate. Okay, I'm going to click to launch the setup wizard. And I'm going to add my Instagram account by clicking here. Okay, I can scroll down. I will leave it as business basic and click connect. And I can uncheck this. I don't want to be receiving emails. I will click this button to connect my Instagram. And I am going to give this permission. By default, it is set to on. You cannot turn it off. I'm going to click allow. And yes, this domain is my own, so I'm going to click yes, it is my domain. Okay, now I have connected this Instagram account with Smashballoon, and I'm going to go to next. And I want to Instagram user feed. I want to create and display Instagram feed from connected account. Exactly, we want to do that, so we will leave it by default. It is set to yes. Downtime prevention, we can leave it as yes. Image optimization is up to you, but we can leave it as yes. Social feed collection, we can leave all of this as default and we can make changes later. And we can just click on next. And I don't want to install this extra plugin, so I'm going to disable it and click install and continue. Since I did no, it is not going to install. And I am going to simply come down here and click complete without upgrading. Okay, now the setup has completed. I'm going to create a feed. I'm going to click this add new button and I'm going to choose this first one. Since we don't have a subscription, we can only create this one. So we will select it, user timeline, and we go to next. And we will select this Instagram account that we connected and we will go to next. So this is where we are going to customize our feed. And this is how it is going to be displayed on our website. And this is a desktop version. We can see the tablet version and a mobile version. We can start making changes right here. If we open here feed layout, we can only leave it as grid since we are not using the pro version. We can adjust the height and the width. I would say maybe 400 pixels. And aspect ratio, I'm going to leave it 1:1. Padding, I will leave it as default. Number of posts in desktop, I want to display maybe 8. 20 is too much, so I'm going to say 8. On mobile, I want to display maybe 4 because they are going to be one on top of another on mobile. And the columns, I want to have 4 columns on desktop, 2 columns on tablet, and 1 column on mobile. So we can scroll up here, or maybe on desktop, I'm simply going to change it to 4 so that there are only going to be 1 line with 4 first. And we can come back here. We can click here to come back here. And when we make some changes, we can click save to save our change. And we can change color scheme right here. We can change the colors of these buttons and other colors like the color of this text. We can come to customize. In the header, we can disable the header so that this information is not going to be visible. This is better, it's clean and easier to embed. So we are going to save our changes. And when we finish making all our changes, we can simply come to our website and we click edit with Elementor. I am simply using Elementor because that is what I used to build the website. So I'm going to scroll down to the last section. So I'm going to add another container. I can drag it from here and maybe just add it down here. It depends on the type of editor that you are using, but if it is Elementor, the same. If it is not, you can embed it anyway. And right here, I'm going to search for feed. This is Instagram feed. I'm going to click and drop it down here. And I'm going to choose a feed. This is the one that I created, so I select it. And that is it. It has been added. I have to maybe save it and I will publish and preview it. And when we preview the page right here, if we scroll, you see this is our feed. This is a post directly from our Instagram feed. And as soon as we post a new post in our Instagram account, it is automatically going to be pulled and one image is going to be replaced with the new one. So this is how it works. If you are using a different page builder that doesn't maybe have a drag and drop option, you can use this embed button. When you click on it, you can copy this and show it in the page as a shortcut. And you can also do this for Facebook and TikTok and even for YouTube. So this is how you can use Smashballoon plugin to integrate social media posts automatically on your WordPress website. If you want to learn more about other tools that I personally use to make great looking websites, you can watch this next video. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.